Hey, welcome to MarineMax Dallas. I'm Chris Harding, and today we are on a Sea Ray 310 SLX 2018 model. And they've got a great integrated swim platform back here in the back. Great seating area here. Cool thing about the seating area is this lifts up for storage, for wet storage, so you can throw dock lines in there, bumpers in there, really anything that you can fit in there. It's got drains in the bottom of it. With Sea Ray, they do a stationary backrest so that it doesn't sit there and flip back and forth and you don't lose your interior cockpit seating. As we make our way through the starboard side walkthrough, we have a built-in cooler, shower wash down, switch for the submersible swim platform. This thing has a really nice hydraulic submersible swim platform that comes out from under the integrated swim platform. Lots of room, put it down, cove up, and everybody's having a good time back there in the water. As we make our way in, the 310 SLX has a great social seating area. You've got plenty of room for everybody, plenty of room for everybody to hang out. The co-pilot's chair turns, so it gives a nice round seating area to it. Built-in cooler back under here, both sides. Nice Kenyan grill, so if you're going to be out for the day, out on the water, bring your hamburgers, your hot dogs, you know what, even bring a steak and throw it on that grill. Inside here in the storage, you've got a nice Dometic refrigerator. Keep everything cold, those hot dogs and those hamburgers we were talking about. Really well appointed dash. This is one of the things that really sets this 310 SLX apart from any other boat out on the market. Touchscreen dashes. You've got everything inside of them, your lights, your bilge pumps, your blowers, your stereo controls, everything is inside of there. This is a dual engine boat, so digital throttle and shift. You've also got joystick docking. Move this boat sideways, move it backwards, let's spin it, really whatever you want to do. If you're waiting to get into the gas dock, instead of sitting there driving in a circle waiting to get your spot at the gas dock, push the skyhook button and just hang out and talk to your friends out on the boat. Boat's well equipped with a head. So we did the upgraded interior on the head. It is a vacuum flush system. So it's like, flushing the toilet in your house. You push down on it, it flushes it into a holding tank, and you don't have to worry about it. Moving our way into the bow. Lots of room, lots of storage. One of the nice things about this boat is the amount of storage. So not only is there storage under all of the seats, you got storage under the console too. Great place to put tubes, keep them out of the way, saddle floats, things like that, everything you're gonna need for a nice day on the water. Flip down armrests, gives you the ability to lounge back, put your arms up, put your feet up, and really enjoy your day out at the lake. The hardtop, full-size hardtop, it does have an opening in the middle that closes. So if you don't want any sun, just close it. If you want a little sun, open it right up. This boat is equipped with the extended sunshade. The sunshade rolls out across this back seating area. So if you're really not wanting any sun while you're hanging out back there in the heat of the day, then just roll your extended sunshade out and you'll have plenty of shade back here. Thanks for joining me today on this walkthrough of Sea Ray's 310 SLX here at MarineMax Dallas. If you have any questions, you can reach us at 972-436-9979, or you can visit us on our website at MarineMax.com. We'd really like for you to come into the store, give us the chance to walk through the boat with you. Thanks for your time and have a great day.